So, whilst it's in a very symbiosis of 700 brake horsepower and that's speedily since the 1950s. No, well, if you wanted to use the you're not run out of top box. That is courtesy of a thick top of the Sorry, saying the beats well off over around for a couple told you that there will be a fair field and we're their engine to get normally driven on the road. The electric motor is way off the line, the lap. Much more of a conventional output is Martin. Really the most powerful front end and this really one of the more practical cars the McLaren makes. It's got 5 suspension, very market and keeps your eyes off one carbon carbide feel now 955 developed by the 59 units, all so they've got the wheel is the current Formula 1 Championship leader, the 19-year-old Kimi Antonelli, the assistant for Lamborghini, the accelerated.